Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. How many units are in a Soliqua pen? The Soliqua 133 pen injector contains 100 units of insulin glargine per 1 milliliter, and 33 micrograms of lixisenatide per milliliter. Each Soliqua pen holds 3 milliliters, so there is a total of 300 units of insulin glargine per pen. Soliqua is a medicine used to treat type 2 diabetes. The Soliqua 133 pen delivers 15 units to 60 units per injection. Soliqua 133 is not used for a dose of less than 15 units. Each unit dialed contains 1 unit insulin glargine and 0.33 micrograms lixisenatide. The maximum dose of Soliqua 133 is 60 units daily, 60 units insulin glargine / 20 micrograms lixisenatide. You inject your dose once a day within 1 hour before your first meal of the day. Try to use your dose at the same time each day. What is in a Soliqua pen? It contains 2 medicines, long-acting insulin glargine and lixisenatide, a glucagonlike peptide 1, GLP-1, agonist. These medications are used with diet and exercise to help control blood sugar, glucose, in adults with type 2 diabetes. Soliqua 133 is a combination of insulin glargine 100 units per milliliter, brand example, Lantus, and lixisenatide 33 micrograms per milliliter, brand example, Adlyxin. This medicine is used for patients inadequately controlled on basal insulin, less than 60 units daily, lixisenatide, or oral type 2 diabetes medicines such as metformin. Soliqua pen injection is given by the subcutaneous route, injected under the skin. It is given into the abdomen, thigh, or upper arm. Rotate injections sites in the same area with each dose. The Soliqua 133 prefilled pen is for single patient use only. Do not mix Soliqua 133 in any other type of insulin or liquid medicine prior to injection. How many Soliqua pens come in a box? One box of Soliqua contains 5 Solo Star prefilled pens of 3 milliliters each. The needles are not included in your box. Only use needles that are compatible for use with your Soliqua 133 prefilled pen. If you are not sure which needles to use, ask your doctor or pharmacist. How should I store Soliqua 133? Store your unused Soliqua 133 pen in the refrigerator at 36°F to 46°F, 2°C to 8°C. Protect the pen from light. Do not use past the expiration date. Do not freeze Soliqua 133 pens and do not use Soliqua 133 if it has been frozen. After your first use, you can store your Soliqua 133 pen at room temperature no higher than 77°F, 25°C, for up to 28 days. After 28 days, throw it away, even if there is some medicine left in the pen. Replace the pen cap after each use to protect from light. Do not store the Soliqua 133 pen with the needle attached. Keep your Soliqua 133 pen needles, and all medicines out of the reach of children. Can I just throw away the Soliqua pen in the trash? No, you should throw away, dispose of, the Soliqua pen in an FDA-approved sharps container. Do not throw away the Soliqua 133 pen in your household trash. If you do not have an FDA-cleared sharps disposal container, you may use a household container that is made of a heavy-duty plastic. Can be closed with a tight-fitting, puncture-resistant lid, without sharps being able to come out. Upright and stable during use. Leak-resistant. Properly labeled to warn of hazardous waste inside the container. Bottom line. The Soliqua pen injector contains 100 units of insulin glargine per 1 milliliter. It also contains 33 micrograms of lixisenatide per milliliter. Each Soliqua pen holds a total of 3 milliliters, so there is a total of 300 units of insulin glargine per pen. The maximum dose of Soliqua 133 is 60 units daily, 60 units insulin glargine / 20 micrograms lixisenatide. Soliqua 133 is an injectable medicine used for type 2 diabetes and combines a long-acting insulin with a GLP-1 agonist. This is not all the information you need to know about Soliqua 133 for safe and effective use. Review the full Soliqua 133 information here, and discuss this information with your doctor or other healthcare provider, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.